Here, Olivia. Here. She's crying for Grandma's pickle.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. You can get a new one.
Now watch. I'm going to take my pickle and she's going to have a cow.
Give it to her. Let her have it.
Here. Here.
Mama, you could get a new pickle.
She
You could get a different pickle, okay?
You like that? Is that good?
Mom, you could get another pickle. You could always get another pickle.
Okay. Let's see.
It doesn't matter.
Let's see if she'll let me trade that pickle for her bottle instead. Let's see.
Mom. Knock it down. Knock 4 feet off.
Not doing it for her.
I know. She's
Here.
chewing now.
She's not wanting her bottle.
Give her your pickle.
Okay, here. Here. Grandma's pickle.
You can always get
Is that good? Is that good?
No, your arm is touching my butt.